Hi viewers, welcome to Max IELTS tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In this video, we will be discussing how to write a report when we are given a diagram. First, let us see the question for discussion. The question goes like this. The diagram given below shows the production of electricity using a system called ocean thermal energy conversion. Write a report for a university lecture describing the information below. As mentioned in the previous video, we shouldn't just jump into the fair draft. Take at least 10 to 15 minutes to work on your rough draft. This is the format of rough draft for the report which we are going to write. First, we will start with the introduction. In the introduction, we must paraphrase the given question, and you needn't add any additional information or data. Next, we shall move on to the overview. In the overview, I am going to mention the key factors like there are three stages in this process of generating electricity and production of fresh drinking water. Now, we shall move on to the detailed paragraph 1. In the detailed para 1, I am going to emphasize on the first stage of the process, that is, the water gets heated by the sun. Salt and water vapor are separated. The water in the turbine generates electricity. In detail para 2, I am going to jot down the remaining features. In the next level of the process, the vapor is cooled by deep sea water in the chamber. Finally, pure drinking water is collected in the chamber and salt is drained back into the sea. Now, we shall start writing the fair draft. The diagram illustrates the process for generating electricity by using seawater through the system of ocean thermal energy conversion. It also describes how pure drinking water is attained through the same process. Overall, this system involves three distinct stages of utilizing solar energy, evaporation chamber, and condensing chamber. Moreover, up to 1000 meters deep in the sea, the water is used to maintain the temperature difference, which helps in the process of evaporation and condensation. Firstly, the surface water of the sea, which is heated by the sun up to 29 degrees Celsius, is passed into the evaporation chamber. From this point, salt particles are removed and the water gets evaporated to pass through a turbine. The movement of water vapors through the turbine generates electricity. In the next level, these vapors travel down the pipe into a condensing chamber, where it is continuously cooled down by the sea water circulating this chamber. Finally, pure drinking water is produced from this chamber and the salt is drained back into the sea. If you have an alternate answer and if you like us to evaluate the answer, you can mail your answer to the mail ID given in the description. Hope you have got a clear idea of how to write a report when you are given with a diagram. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Subscribe our channel for future videos and click on the bell button to get notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.